Welcome back to Who is ML, the ultimate destination for mind-bending AI content. Today we're tackling a common problem many students face, the struggle to find an ideal teacher who has all the answers, infinite patience, and endless time. But fear not, because we've discovered an incredible AI that's supercharging the way we learn and revolutionizing education. Get ready to be amazed by the power of AI in schools. Let's talk about Khan Academy, an online platform that has now been supercharged by an amazing chatbot called Khanmigo. Powered by ChatGPT. This knowledgeable chatbot is here to transform studying for children everywhere. No more feeling overwhelmed or lost, because Khanmigo is here to guide and assist students every step of the way. What makes Khanmigo truly special is its ability to slowly and patiently guide students towards finding solutions. It's not just about providing answers, it encourages students to think and discover on their own. No more frustration or impatience, just a supportive AI companion that's always there to help. But hold on tight, because here comes my favorite part. Khanmigo answers the ultimate question every student has asked. Why do I need to learn this? With the vast knowledge of the internet at its disposal, Khanmigo can explain the real-world applications of what you're studying, even relating it to your favorite activities like soccer. It's like having an AI tutor that shows you the practical value of mathematics and more. Talk about fascinating. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing AI content like this. If you find this video captivating, share it with your friends so they can join in on the AI revolution. Let's not forget about quizzes. Khanmigo goes beyond just providing answers. If you don't know something, it offers hints to nudge you in the right direction. These hints can even help teachers identify common mistakes and address them in class. Imagine the possibilities of leveraging AI to enhance the learning experience for all students. But wait, Khanmigo can even engage in debates. If you have a sensitive topic to discuss or want to refine your arguments, this AI chatbot will debate with you, providing counter-arguments and helping you strengthen your reasoning skills. It's like having a friendly AI debater by your side. And get ready for a blast from the past. Khanmigo can bring history to life by conversing with historical figures like George Washington, or even a god like Zeus. Imagine the immersive experience of having a chat with historical legends. It's a history class like you've never seen before. Now let's address the elephant in the room: writing essays. Contrary to what you may have heard, Khanmigo doesn't write essays for you. Instead, it collaborates with you, making the process enjoyable and interactive. You choose the story you want to write, and together with Khanmigo, you create a seamless flow. It's about learning and growing together, not cheating. As we explore further, we discover incredible features like vocabulary-building story modes that facilitate learning in a fun and engaging way. It's not about shortcuts or taking the easy way out. It's about embracing the power of AI to enhance our educational experiences. Imagine studying with tools like Khanmigo, unlocking a whole new level of learning. As the next generation of scholars, we're fortunate to have access to these incredible resources that will make us smarter, more curious, and well-equipped for the future. So my friends, let's embrace this amazing leap in education and celebrate the power of AI to revolutionize learning. I can't wait to explore these tools with my daughter, knowing that she'll have an exceptional learning experience with the help of AI. Thanks for joining us today on Who is ML, where we uncover the mind-blowing possibilities of artificial intelligence. The future of education is here, and it's time to embrace it. Stay tuned for more awe-inspiring AI discoveries in our next adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest AI breakthroughs. And remember to share this video with your friends so they can join the AI revolution too. Keep learning, my friends.